Welcome to GTA House Buyers. If you need to sell your house, then you've come to the right place. My name's Aaron Moore, and I started buying houses for investments back in 2003. I've been buying houses in Toronto, Durham region, York region, Peel, and a few other cities near Toronto. You probably have questions about what I do and what I can do for you. I welcome you to call me anytime or contact us through our website. We buy houses fast through all kinds of methods. I recommend that you go on our website here and look at all the reasons why people have sold to us and see what we can do for you. If you have a house that needs repairs or updating, then contact us. If you have a time-sensitive situation, then call us, and you can have your house sold in days, not months. We buy houses fast with cash, and we can get you an offer within 24 hours. But if you need months to move, that's okay too. Maybe your house is stressing you out and you need to get your life back. Your health is more important than a house. We buy houses quick, quiet, and easy. You get to avoid open houses and avoid people browsing through your house for months. Privacy is important to us. We don't share your information and we're accredited with the Better Business Bureau. I'm not a realtor and I don't charge any fees or commissions. I'm a cash buyer and a problem solver. If you have a real estate challenge, then let's talk. Please allow me just to take a moment here to share with you some things that make me happy. When a seller asks me, why did my realtor tell me about these options? Or sellers say, I called a few house buying companies, but you gave me the best offer. Hearing those things really does make my day. I take pride that I can buy houses when others can't, and I offer solutions others don't even know about. I also love when neighbors thank me or my renovators for transforming the roughest house on the street into the most beautiful house on the street. And I've had many families who sell me an inherited house tell me they wish their mother could see how beautiful her house looks now. It's moments like these that explain why I love what I do. Now, I'm not promising that I can buy every house, but I do promise to be helpful. If I can't offer you the best solution to your challenge, then maybe I can give you some advice or point you in the right direction. This is a business and I do need to figure out a way to make a profit on each house. But the only reason you'll sell to me is because you will benefit or because I can solve your real estate challenge. If I can't deliver value, then I know you won't sell to me. But over the years, I've bought many dozens of houses in the Toronto area and I'm ready to buy more today. I've probably bought a house close to you, or maybe I own a beautiful rental property in your neighborhood. It's always good to look at your options, and there is no obligation to contact us. You've got nothing to lose except for a few minutes of your time. Take a look through our website and check out the testimonials of what other sellers are saying. If you like what you see, then fill in the short form on our site and we'll get back to you within hours. I'll talk to you soon.